You're towing a small trailer on a busy 3-lane motorway. What must you do if all the lanes are open? Not exceed 50 miles per hour. Not overtake. Have a stabilizer fitted. Use only the left-hand and centre lanes. What should you do if a trailer starts to swing from side to side while you're towing it? Ease off the accelerator to reduce your speed. Let go of the steering wheel and let it correct itself. Brake hard and hold the pedal down. Accelerate until it stabilizes. On which occasion should you inflate your tyres to more than their normal pressure? When carrying a heavy load. When the vehicle is fitted with anti-lock brakes. When the tyre tread is worn below 2 millimeters. When the roads are slippery. How will a heavy load on your roof rack affect your vehicle's handling? It will make the steering lighter. It will reduce the stopping distance. It will improve the road holding. It will reduce stability. What can be badly affected when you overload your vehicle? The vehicle's ventilation. The vehicle's battery. The vehicle's handling. The vehicle's gearbox. Who's responsible for making sure that a vehicle isn't overloaded? The licensing authority. The person who loaded the vehicle. The driver of the vehicle. The owner of the items being carried. You're planning to tow a caravan. Which of these will be the biggest aid to the vehicle handling? Power steering fitted to the towing vehicle. A jockey wheel fitted to the tow bar. A stabilizer fitted to the tow bar. Anti-lock brakes fitted to the towing vehicle. Are passengers allowed to ride in a caravan that's being towed? Only if a stabilizer is fitted. Yes, if they're over 14. Only if all the seats in the towing vehicle are full. No, not at any time. A trailer must stay securely hitched to the towing vehicle. What additional safety device must be fitted to a trailer braking system? Jockey wheel, corner steadies, breakaway cable, stabilizer, You wish to tow a trailer. Where would you find the maximum nose weight allowed on your vehicle's tow hitch? In the vehicle handbook. In your vehicle registration certificate. In the highway code. In your license documents. How should a load be carried on your roof rack? Covered with plastic sheeting. Visible in your exterior mirror. Securely fastened with suitable restraints. Loaded towards the rear of the vehicle. You're carrying a child in your car. They're under 3 years old. Which of these is a suitable restraint? An adult seat belt. A child seat. An adult lap belt. An adult holding a child.